Hey, what's going on YouTube? Finna get ready and add a equalizer in my car. I had a MTX crossover from the 90s. I believe it was 1999, 2000. That crossover was super old, and it had finally went out after all these years and all these vehicles. So I'm gonna put the EQ in, but instead of like putting it down here somewhere or in a glove box, I want to kind of be neat with it to make it an easy install. So I'm gonna put it up here by the radio, but I'm gonna have to take this kit out and get a well, actually I picked it up, a kit with the EQ at the bottom of it. This is the kit right here. It's a Metro 99 45 44 for the GM 82 to 04. So I don't know which kind your vehicle would need, but you know you want to get a kit with the EQ pocket on it. So gonna be putting this in. Alright, so let me break this kit down and I'll show you everything on how to install an equalizer. Yeah, I got it all installed. I just want to do a quick view of this before I put it back up in the dash on how you have to do it. It's real simple. Okay, let me see if I can get this on there. Okay, all you gotta do is, so I got a front and a rear output. You can go to either one, you know, but you go to the front output into the CD input on a CD player, and then see where it says sub output, that goes to the sub input on the back of the subwoofer amplifier. And then for the 4-channel, these are the 2 outputs that goes into the front. Wait, the front output goes to the front input on a 4-channel amp, and then the rear output goes to the rear input on a 4-channel output. 4-channel input, I'm sorry. Remember, output from the CD player, output from the equalizer goes to the input on the amplifier. Out, in. I always remember that. Out to input. It'd be easier. So, yeah. And then you got your, right here, you got your, the red positive goes to the constant 12 volt. The blue remote wire goes to the blue wire on the radio. So it's the equalizer turn on. So when you turn the radio on, the equalizer come on. And then the ground is to your ground wire. You know, the body, or you can find you a little small ground wire down there somewhere on the body, but it's a ground. Or you can go to the ground off the harness plug from the factory radio. So yeah, so let me get this and everything put back in this dash, and then I'll show y'all how it look when I get done. EQ, everything in and hooked up, nice and neat. Yep, just a simple process. You know. So those of you who want a decent sound for a cheap price, you know, like to balance out your sound system, and don't want to be like not familiar or don't feel like setting that 7-band EQ or playing with it, you can get one of these. You know, got a simple, what's that? Let me see if I can focus in. Low, mid, and highs adjustment on it, sub frequency, sub volume, fader, and volume. It's pretty simple. So EQ, like I said, under 30 bucks, you know, $20-something, and it's not bad sound. You know, you can't beat it for the price. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or questions, post them below and I'll be glad to answer them. All right, later YouTube, be safe out there.